Hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how to complete a short response using the template and the scaffolds that I gave you. Okay, so you have a screen that looks like this. The first thing that you want to do when you have your paper is choose a response. So you are purple, so you are going to choose the purple response. The question is, explain how details in this text support the central idea in the story. So the first thing you want to do is identify the central idea. Okay, the central idea in this text is the first immigrants to arrive in New York are registered in Ellis Island. So go ahead and copy that down on your paper. Okay. After you have the central idea, you want to use the central idea, the prompt, to write your claim. So here I have the claim. The details support the central idea in many ways. You have your sentence starters that show you how to write this claim. Go ahead and copy that down. The next thing you want to do is identify your evidence, right? Because you need evidence 1 and evidence 2. So evidence 1 is coming directly from the text. You have annotated it, and it goes here. It says Annie is from Ireland. She is now famous for being the first immigrant registered at Ellis Island. So I have that in the text. I'm going to mark it up like that and write E1. Okay. Then I want to identify my second piece of evidence. My second piece of evidence is 700 people arrived at Ellis Island on the first day. They were quickly registered and sent on their way. So I'm going to go to that section in the reading. It's on page 2. Highlight it and write evidence 2. Same thing. After, I'm going to use my sentence starters to complete evidence 1 and write down evidence 1. Go ahead and copy that down. Okay, now we're going to continue to evidence 2. Okay. So I'm going to begin with my sentence starter, another example is, and I'm going to copy down evidence 2. Go ahead and copy that down in your own paper. Notice how whenever I copy something from the text, I'm using quotations at the beginning and at the end of the phrase. Now we're going to go to our conclusion and analysis. You're going to use your sentence starters to begin the conclusion and analysis. So in the analysis, you want to explain your evidence. Remember, you have your checklist here. Explain the evidence. So I'm going to start with in conclusion. The details support the central idea because notice that I'm using the exact same wording from the claim. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. So I'm saying the details support the central idea that the first immigrants to arrive in New York are registered in Ellis Island. So they demonstrate or show that the first immigrants to arrive in New York were registered in Ellis Island. So please go ahead and copy that down.